Hello Pointagrammers, this is Johnny from Pointagram. In this tutorial we're going through how to add score series filters to competitions, badges and widgets. I'm starting from score series settings. Filters are powerful in the right hands. In my example, I'm going to show you how to start a campaign towards new customers. I'm setting up two point types called meetings and quote meetings, where meeting generates 1 point and quote meetings 2 points. Then I'm adding a tag called new customers. Let's add some points to Pointagram with the tag new customer and using one of the point types quote meeting and meetings to show you the example. As you can see, the point history is populated with points to both Johnny and Junesi that can be used to competitions, badges and widgets. Let's create a competition and fast forward to competition score series setting. Select the desired score series, in my example appointments, and then press on the gear wheel. So let's enable filters, add our point type meeting and combine it with the new customer tag. Redo the step with quote meeting. Pressing OK takes you back to competition score series settings. This page displays all the rules. So now this competition will only generate points if a quote meeting and a meeting are tagged with new customer. So let's create a reach and amount badge with the exact same filters. Select the desired score series, in my example appointments, enable filters, add our point type meeting and combine it with the new customer tag. Redo the step with quote meeting. Press OK and then add a target value, select time period and then save and complete. So now this reach and amount badge will only look at quote meeting and meetings that are tagged with new customers. Let's add a widget that are filtered by point types and tags. Go to profile and then press on the plus sign up to the right. In this example, selecting appointments as a score series, then adding point types and tags for my widgets. Note that there's a setting that says any must match, but if you wish that all tags should match, you need to press on any and it will change to all. Thank you, and that's all for this tutorial, and thank you for watching.